You know, it's almost like your birthday with a package from China, so let's go. Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's awesome that you're tuning in. So in this video, we are going to unbox this figure together. It's the Shadow Jago. I must say I picked it up on an... Was I correctly? Well, I almost wanted to say flea market, but I picked it up from a convention, and it was a very long time ago. I have this thing in my storage for quite a long time, and I just want to unbox it with you. For 15 euros I picked it up. Is it a good deal? Let me know. And I must say that I was quite surprised seeing this. I was really excited because I am a big Shadow Jago fan, and finding exactly the one I wanted for only 15 euro is, in my opinion, a bargain and very lucky. Yeah, like always, it comes with all kinds of figures. We have like the full gore Hisako, the normal Jago, Cyberwolf and Spinal. I must say, like full gore, I would love to have that one too. And this collectible item also comes with his weapon, the saw blade. Having this thing forever in my storage, let's do just this unboxing together with you. I don't know if they did they already unbox it or displayed it. That was not really clear, but for 15 euro I think we cannot really complain. Okay, so the below is the 24-digit code for exclusive unlockable in-game color for Jago. That is pretty damn cool. Not going to use it. We can see when opening it up. Here we have the special weapon that comes with this. Let's see how they boxed it up. Alright, be very careful. Let's unbox it like this. The base itself looks kind of, yeah, like kind of basic, to be honest. Like, do we have like some wear and tear over? I don't know if this is because it's like an already, like say, an older and used figure, but a little bit of a bummer. I don't really like the way how the box look, or that's my opinion about them. The base is like very thin plastic, made in China, 2015. But let's take a close look at Jago himself, because that's of course the most important one. So when you're looking at it, I don't know what's going on over here, but I do see some glue over here, like some old dried up glue over here. I think there's nothing, like something has been broken up. This is kind of cool that it's still flexible. You can just move the arm, so it's kind of an action figure. I think it's pretty damn cool, to be honest. So when you're looking over here, we do have like some weird things, like, and again, a little bit of glue. I don't see anything that's been damaged or something. No, nothing at all. But the overall quality, it looks kind of cool, like the hair itself, the tattoo on his body, everything looks great. So let's get the weapon out. And it seems to be this, they didn't use it because everything is not still brand new sealed. Alright, so let's get the weapon itself and let's basically like click it in his hand. Oh yeah. Do I need to use it in his left hand? Or is his right hand? I think it's his left hand, right? They're using quite flexible plastic also for the fingers. I don't know how flexible it's going to be in the future, but I think the idea was that you're going to put the blade in here. Just going to use it in this position. Going to get his hand and his arm in this position. So you can just put it on the base. Oh man, let's see how this is going to be a pain in the butt, or is this going to be something that is easy to do. Don't want to flex him too much. Also too much pressure on the base. There are some supports over here, but oh man, it's made so very cheaply. So that's basically how we need to display it. I really love this blue, man. Man, oh man. I am just super happy to have the Shadow Jago in my collection. If I can find a full gore for not a lot of money, maybe I'll even pick that one up too. But beside that, they're like the only two, well, just the only two that I just want to have in my collection. Let me know in the comments, what do you think of Killer Instinct the game? Are you a big fan of it like me? And yeah, the music of this game is absolutely amazing. Besides having some minor flaws, I think it's a pretty damn cool, let's say, figure. You can even display it in different poses. I'm just gonna be honest, I'm not a big fan of action figures, stuff like that. But for now, like, I think it's forgivable with this statue. Yeah, figure statue. I think it's more like a statue. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing, hit the little bell, and it would be great to see you in the next video.